Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to stay updated on all our latest content. MoneyMutual connects individuals seeking short-term loans with potential lenders. Their online platform acts as a marketplace, streamlining the process for borrowers to find and compare loan offers. This service is particularly helpful for those facing unexpected expenses or temporary financial shortfalls. Navigating the site is straightforward. Borrowers complete a single online application, providing details about their income, employment, and financial needs. This information is then shared with a network of lenders who review the application and determine if they are willing to extend a loan. MoneyMutual emphasizes the importance of responsible borrowing. They provide resources and educational materials to help borrowers understand the terms and conditions of loans, including interest rates and repayment schedules. It's crucial for potential borrowers to carefully evaluate their ability to repay any loan before accepting an offer. While MoneyMutual facilitates the connection between borrowers and lenders, they are not a direct lender themselves. They act as an intermediary, simplifying the process of finding potential funding sources. The speed and convenience of MoneyMutual's platform are key advantages. Borrowers can often receive loan decisions quickly, sometimes within minutes, and funds can be deposited electronically into their bank accounts as soon as the next business day. This rapid turnaround can be vital for individuals facing urgent financial situations. MoneyMutual's service is free for borrowers to use. Their revenue comes from the lenders who participate in their network. It's important to remember that short-term loans often come with higher interest rates compared to traditional loans. Borrowers should carefully compare loan offers and consider all associated costs before making a decision. MoneyMutual works with a diverse network of lenders, offering a range of loan products. This variety allows borrowers to explore options that best suit their individual circumstances. For those who find themselves needing quick access to funds, MoneyMutual offers a valuable service. Their online platform simplifies the loan application process and provides a connection to a broad network of potential lenders. However, borrowers should always prioritize responsible borrowing practices and thoroughly understand the terms of any loan agreement before accepting. Remember to research and compare options to ensure you're making the best financial decision for your situation.